Hello dear, in this video I will show you the indoor monitors of our IP system. First, this is a package of our indoor monitor display, and this is the accessory. In this accessory, we have this is the desktop frame. This is the back of the memory card. This is a TCP. This is a PoE switch. And this is the installation on the wall bracket. And this is the connectors with the indoor monitor. And this is a fixed screw with the desktop. And first, we will fix this indoor monitor. Back from here, this is a screw fixed about this. Okay, now we finish it like this, and we can use it like this for the desktop. Also, this is a back for this backup. This is for the memory card, which can be upgrading our software from here. Okay, first we will connect this indoor monitor with these plugs. Okay, from here, this is the RJ5 interface, which can connect with the switch, and this is a separate power supply plug with the DC jacket, and this is the PoE switch, so we will use this DC plug. And this is the network spec. By now, we can connect this cable into the PoE port of the PoE switch. Now you can see the display has been lit up. We are using the IPA's full view angle of the display, so it can be sharp colors from different view angles, even as this. Okay, let's begin to test the functions. This is our basic TUYA outdoor call stations.
Calling. Please hold on.
It can call in with these indoor monitors. And also, this is the app, which you have your own app with these functions. When connect up with the mobile app, there is a promote sound of the outdoor station. This is a basic user interface you can easily understand. And from here, we can unlock.
The door is open.
This is a basic and pro features of our outdoor stations.
Call ended.
Call ended, and we exit the settings. And you can see about this desktop, which you will be really interested about this. And also these indoor monitors, we can use the wireless connection, Wi-Fi connections. So in that case, we just need a power inlet, maybe like this. We just need a power to drive this indoor monitor if it is a wireless version. Also, it will be very convenient if we are using the PoE switch. So if you put in the desk or put at your home working table, there will be just one cable to connect with our PoE switch. So that is a brief introduction, and I wish you like it.